Very good evening. Welcome back. Under our series of discussions on career counseling for Indian youth, today we have taken up a very important career option. That is called how somebody can be a doctor. And as you know that we have celebrated 1st July as the International Doctors Day. So I thought nothing is more relevant than talking on a career in a medical profession. That is very, very important, and particularly in COVID period. As you understand, during COVID, the most important person in society is a doctor. We bank upon him. He is second to God. That is the importance of a doctor in society. So my dear friends, how can any youngster who dream to be a doctor, what he needs to do? My dear friends, he or she, anybody who wishes to join a medical profession, and anybody who wishes to take a medical profession as a career, he or she has to pass 10+2, and that too his +2 ought to be in science, and biology has to be a subject. So physics, chemistry, biology have to be as their optional subjects at the +2 level. So my dear friends, only students who have completed their +2 in science, they are eligible to appear for the medical test. As all of you know that at the All India level, there are a couple of examinations being conducted for selecting the students for a medical profession. So the one common entrance test that is called NEET-UG. It is one test which is conducted at the national level, and this is the test by which the students who appear this test, they are selected in different medical colleges across the country. So for example, we have around 60,000 seats available in medical profession. So many of the government colleges, many of the even many private colleges also recognize this, the scoring of this NEET test. So my dear friends, after you can complete your +2, you go for this NEET exam, and as per your scoring, then you select a medical college and then you join. And these medical colleges or institutions, they are either in the government sector or in the private sector, they have been ranked. Every year they have been ranked. There is a All India Medical Council, they rank them as per their cut-off mark, as of their employment scenario, and as of the faculty, they are recognized according. So the career in medical profession, if you wish to, you have to join a 5.5 years medical course, and out of that, last 1 year is the internship course, which is you have to be trained in different parts of the medical hospital. You have to visit and you have to be acquainted. That internship is very important for you. So my dear friends, if you wish to be a doctor, your focus should be that when you go for taking admission in the +2, you have to take science. You have to take physics, chemistry and biology as your subjects. Compulsorily you have to take that. Then subsequently you go for your entrance test, and for that you have to really prepare very hard, which is very competitive, very competitive. Every year 7 lakh students sit for it, and only 60,000 seats are there. And out of the 60,000 you have all kinds of reservation, NRI quota, ex-defenseman quota, all kinds of things are there. So you have to really study hard. After the completion of the MBBS, that is Bachelor in Medicine and Bachelor in Surgery, then you can go for the post-graduation studies in medical sciences. That you can do in surgery or in medicine, depending on what kind of preferences you have. For that, again, you have to go through an entrance test. So the MBBS and then the MS or MD, for that you have to again go for the exam and you have to do that. After MBBS, you can start the medical practicing, but only after PG and all, you have a specialization in that particular subject. And you can also go for PhD as well in different medical sciences. If you ask me what are What are the examinations? What are the institutions available? Look, the best institutions are which are very demanded is called AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi, and other parts of the country wherever AIIMS is now branches are there. They are the most demanded institutions for the study of for medical sciences. And if you go for the other colleges like the PGI Chandigarh, or if you go for the Army Medical College, or if you go for the other institutions, medical science and private sector, there are too many options you have. So, my dear friends, if you wish to join AIIMS, AIIMS conducts a separate examination. They don't come under the NEET. They have a separate examinations. Even the PGI Chandigarh, they also have a different examination. So, you have to 3-4 national level tests are available for you. You have to, if you want to join any of these good institutions, you have to go through NEET, or you go for the AIIMS entrance test, or you go for the other institutions which they conduct the tests. At the state level also, many of them they also conduct their own examinations, entrance tests they conduct. But the fact remains that it is a very, very tough course. A doctor, and moreover, always remember that it is not only just for the medical science are restricted to just a doctor in medicine or in surgery. You can be a doctor in dental. BDS is another branch of studies. You can also join homeopathy. You can join the other alternative medicine courses. There are other branches of medical sciences. So you can also join and can be a doctor. So a doctor can be a MBBS doctor. He can be a doctor in medicine or surgery. He can be a doctor in homeopathy. He can be a doctor in dental sciences. And apart from this, you can have a lot of specializations. For example, some people are specialists in medicine. Some people are in surgery, some people are in dental, some people in cardiology, some people are specialists in skin, some people in pathology. So depending on even microbiology, so depending on the student's interest and whatever, and as per his marks, as per opportunities available to him, he makes a specialization. And there is no dearth of jobs. India is a country where we need a lot of doctors, and particularly in COVID period, they are actually doctors are the real next to God. So thank you friends. In the next session we will go detail about it. But this session, my only advice is that if you really want to be a doctor, you can really do a great job for the society. The society needs doctors first now. Thank you.